Do you find your business, office, or assets are unsafe due to the increase of crime? Are you ready to get rid of traditional security and adapt to the future of it? Get real-time security protection and 100% peace of mind with Calidad Services Inc.'s unique advanced video monitoring. This is a proactive approach which works to detect and prevent crime before it occurs with the help of analytics, AI, and our security software. This is how our advanced video monitoring system works to maintain a crime-free environment. After examining your current CCTV system, we help to install our advanced video monitoring system tools to each vulnerable site. The system then helps to detect any suspicious activity that occurs within the programmed areas, and an immediate alert is then sent to one of our Security Operations Center SOC specialists, and within seconds, personalized live audio warnings are issued. We then take the agreed upon actions of either calling the police department, local security patrol, and/or business owner. We go above and beyond by doing virtual patrols several times per hour to make sure your site is secure. We include virtual escorts of employees, investigations, and much more. A fearless environment is now practical with Calidad Services.